Gamification is using mechanics that comes from games and video games to help teach different subjects like science, languages, sports. In this video, we will look at how we used gamification in the Mimesis activities to create pedagogical games.
Playing is just the way to learn that is natural to anybody. For example, even animals do that. Lion cubs, they play chasing each other. That's to learn how to hunt. Fun is the key for everything. The lion cubs won't play and learn hunting if they're not having fun. So gamification, I think, is just clear goals, no fear of failure, rewards. If you achieve the goal, you get the reward. If you don't achieve the goal, you can also get some rewards, not as much, but it has to keep you motivated. In life, usually you are afraid to fail. That's not the case in games. You fail one time, no problem. You keep going. It's fun.
For the Mimesis project, we created a pedagogical sequence about plankton. We knew Fanny Havas from La Family. She's a sailor with a big knowledge about plankton. And together we wondered how can we create a game to grow children's interest in those small animals that you can find underwater, but that you can't see.
Si vous la voyez de loin, moi je vais vous montrer avec le doigt, il y a une explosion. Et pendant tout ce temps-là, donc de moins 5 milliards
Our goal was to make the children aware of the importance of plankton for the sea ecosystem and for the role they play in creating oxygen. So we set targets and used a couple of techniques we had at hand: acting, gamification, playing, digital, to help them understand more about plankton. Each game we played was followed by a lesson to summarize what we just studied in the game. And each lesson was very important to listen to because you will find clue in it that will help you during the next game. Basically, what we did is that we followed the process of gamification to turn plankton study into something cool and fun for children.
C'est un pointu marseillais. C'est pour ça aussi que je veux vous le montrer.
So, as a tip, I think it's very interesting to see everything as a playground and to understand that everything can become a game and a challenge. We can always make everything a challenge if we find the good way of building it. And the challenge is not about making someone feel uncomfortable or in a competition, but to make them feel that they can always go farther, that anything we do, we can make it better, and it's only with ourselves.